Shouldn't this guy be on the same side of the road as me? Well, at least he signaled before he cut me off. And now it's time for Atlanta's favorite pastime, red light running. Even bus drivers are participating in this craze. This guy takes his game to the next level. Not only did he run the red light, but he's blocking the intersection. Let's see what was causing this delay. Aha, police activity. And when Atlantans aren't running red lights, what do? They stop in front of no parking signs. I'm not sure that's a legal U-turn. That does not look good. That's right, more red light runners. Hey buddy, get your right cheek out of my lane. Hey you, behind me. Yeah, you with the lights off. Turn them on, buddy. Thank you. I was still in Atlanta when I ran across this guy hauling porta potties. He'd forgotten to secure one of the doors and it was flapping in the breeze. Thank goodness he didn't have a passenger inside. Whoa, what happened there? Let's take a closer look. Either something was thrown from the truck or he kicked up some debris from the road, which may have hit the car behind him. Fortunately, the truck driver knew something was wrong and stopped on the side of the road. When you're passing a vehicle and the vehicle you're approaching has to hit their brakes, you probably didn't have enough room. And this always causes too much excitement for all parties. And finally, this abandoned vehicle stayed in the turn lane the entire 4 days I was in Columbia.